Good day, class. Today we're going to talk about something very important in real-world development, version control. Let me ask you first, have you ever worked on a file, then accidentally deleted something important and wished you could go back to the previous version? That's exactly the problem version control solves. Version control is a system that helps us track changes in our files, go back to previous versions, collaborate with other developers without overwriting each other's work. In short, it's like having a history timeline of your project. In professional environments, version control is not optional, it is a standard practice. The most widely used version control system today is called Git. Git is a tool that runs on your computer and tracks changes in your project files. Now, Git works locally, meaning you can track changes even without internet. Everything is stored in your machine first. Later, we connect it to online platforms like GitHub for sharing and collaboration. Let's go through the basic workflow of Git. This is very important, so try to follow the sequence. 1. Git init. When we start a project, we initialize Git using git init. This command creates a repository, a folder where Git starts tracking changes. Think of it as telling Git, start watching this project. 2. Git add. Next, we use git add dot. This command stages our changes. In simple terms, you are selecting which changes you want to save. It's like preparing files before submitting them. 3. Git commit. After adding files, we commit them. Git commit, your message. A commit is like saving a checkpoint. Important reminder, always write clear commit messages. For example, don't just write update, write something like fixed login bug. 4. Git push. Finally, we use git push. This uploads your commits to an online repository like GitHub. So the flow is init, add, commit, then push. Now let's talk about a powerful feature of Git, branching. A branch is like creating a separate version of your project where you can experiment safely. For example, main branch is your stable version. Feature branch is where you test new features. This means you can work without breaking the main project. When you're done, you merge the branch back into the main project. Merging combines your changes into the main branch. This is very useful when working in teams. Now that we understand Git locally, let's talk about GitHub. GitHub is a cloud-based platform where you store your repositories online, collaborate with other developers, and share your code publicly or privately. In real-world development, teams push their work to GitHub. Other members can review, comment, and improve the code. It also serves as your portfolio as a developer. In actual companies, multiple developers work on the same project. Version control prevents conflicts. GitHub is used for teamwork and project management. Without version control, projects would become chaotic. So today we learned what version control is and why it's important, how Git works, basic commands, init, add, commit, push, branching and merging, and how GitHub is used in real-world collaboration. Make sure to practice these commands because this is a hands-on skill. You only learn it by doing. Before we end, try this. Create a folder, initialize Git, create a simple HTML file, then add, commit, and push it to GitHub.